How to set a video as a call background on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the phone app. Then tap on the More button at the top. And then we tap on Settings. In Call Settings, we go down and tap on Call Background. Here, tap on Background. And then scroll down and tap on Video. Next in here, tap on the video that you want to use. Now the video must be 15 seconds or less, so you can tap on the crop button or the scissors icon right here, and then at the bottom here you can just drag on this slider to select your 15-second videos, and then tap on Done. Here you need to tap on Set as Call Background. Now you can also choose to use the video sound as ringtone or not, so you can turn it on or switch it off, and then tap on Set as Call Background. Alright, so once you are on a call or if someone is calling you, you can see this is the video that is playing on my call screen as a background. And that's it. Finally, you can answer or simply just decline the call. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.